boat today.
Very
We
good.
came back to Donkey Land. We brought Chris from Retro, what, day before yesterday? And they didn't bite too great, so we figured maybe they'll bite better today. But there's number one.
Fred's kind of rolled on out.
Mama's on number three. At least that one's a little bit bigger. Got a little bit of a fat belly on it.
They're looking better. Yep, they're feeding.
Yep. All right. Maybe we'll get on some fish. Well, let's just throw that in there, baby.
Yep. Baby number 4. Baby number 4.
Landed on it. Yeah, we're about to go for it. You got it. Jumbo. That would be Dinkalina.
Number 2.
Come around my line at first. Oh. You get it? You got it. You got it. You got it. I know you don't let him get down. Oh, Mama's got a fish. She got a nice one on finally. There, that joker was hungry. That's it. That was a hungry little joker.
About 4 pounds, maybe?
Nah, I think he's 3. Way in the hole. If you want him, get him. 4, 3, 2, 3, 6. Pretty fish. Go. Right.
Water feels a little warmer over here.
Go first. Figured some of the dinkies we caught. Number 3. Even maybe bigger up and down.
Yep.
Do it.
Number 6. Maybe 6 ounces. GoPro stop recording.
Oh, mighty. Big power over there. That's bait.
Yeah. Oh, he jumped at it.
Wow, that little bitty thing.
Oh, you got a piercing. I could put my earring in there and you would look so cute. Number 7.
Oh my God, it's about a 6-pounder. Retro Bassin'.
Here's my glasses.
On my face. Take them. Take them.
It's alright.
Oh, I don't know how much we want to stretch out.
Look at this bad boy. Oh my God, it's a 5-6 pounder. Retro Basset kicking some. Oh, he's a jumper. So I'm gonna slow down because he's jumping.
Oh, blue dots.
Yeah, wait till it's over. Here, record again.
Got it.
All right, watch.
Wow. Nice one.
Anyway. Not a jumbo, but for today, that felt like a jumbo.
What, 3.5?
Yeah, we'll say that or 3. I'd say 3.
I got the scales out.
It ain't that big.
Okay.
Swallow.
Kind of excited a little bit about that. Trying, at the Sebastian's Inlet, searching for reds.
What?
Searching at Sebastian's Inlet, looking for reds. Number 8 ain't so great. 2 sugars.
Number 5. Getting slow, and little fish. We're doing it.
And blowing, the wind's just a blowing.
Wind just a blow.
Okay.
Mama is on. She just about her 3rd try on a fish. Oh, a pretty one. Nice fish. Look at that. What number is that, baby?
That's number 10 to win.
10 to win. I got 6. And the wind is honking. I don't know if you hang on, baby. Hang on. You can see the wind is getting it out here. Good job.
Oh, I got one. Yeah. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? There he is. Lost him.
Number 11.
Alright. Number 7 though.
There you go. Splash.
Mama done put it in 2nd gear now. Number 12 in the boat. That one hit hard. Very good. Oh.
I'm over there. Shallow.
No, 13.
That's 12. Nope. That's 12.
Yep, this one's number 13. Oh, look. That come out of his mouth.
Well, we wore out and we're gonna take it to the house. How many did you get, Mama? Well, there you are. Got 12. I got 7. So we had a decent day. Had a couple big blow-ups, but we didn't tear them up. All right, stay tuned. We'll be fishing again soon. What do you say, Mama? Wait a minute, I might not have had you in it. There you go. Say it one more time. Fishing is a lot of fun.